Hi everyone, Mrs. Kotlenberg here. I have a new drawing tutorial ready for you. Today, we are going to draw a dolphin together. There's a couple things that are a little bit different about this dolphin, and things that you can change to make it just how you want it. So I'm going to be drawing a dolphin who's jumping out of the water. So grab your paper and your pencils, and let's get started. We are going to start with the head of our dolphin. So we're going to start with an upside down U shape, and then we're going to come out quite far to the right and come down. Now you'll notice here I left an opening at the top. I did that on purpose, so try to do that as well, because on that opening around it, we're going to add the top fin. So I just made a nice curved line up and then bring it straight down. Now we're going to go in and add the nose. So I just come down and I'm going to kind of bring it up like a smile. And then I'm going to turn that smile line into an oval shape. Now from the tip of the oval shape, I'm going to draw a slightly curved line all the way down to the tail, but I'm not going to join them together. Next, I'm going to draw a nice big circle right above that line close to that tip of the nose. And then I'm going to add a little curved line, a circle inside that top bit, and then I'm going to color it in. So this is the eye, complete with a reflection spot. You can do some extra things here, like you can add eyelashes if you want it to be a kind of cute, girly one. I'm going to add just like an eyebrow mark, so I'm drawing an upside down U shape above the eye. Now we're going to do the mouth. So what I do is I like to make it look like it's a little bit open. So I make a curved shape and then I kind of add like the inside of the mouth. And then I'm going to make that curve come down. But before I finish it off, I want to get the next fin in. So I come down with a curve and then I add a straight up line. And then I'm going to finish off the belly. And now this one I want to join or taper at the bottom. And then I can add the fin from the other side, come straight down, and then come across and make it touch the other fin. And it will look like it's on the other side of his body. Now we're going to come in with the tail. And I like to do like two petal shapes, slightly pointed, rounded on the sides, but slightly pointed at the ends. And it's okay if one is bigger than the other. This is fine. Now I'm going in on the top and putting a small blowhole on the top of the dolphin, like a small half circle. Now, you could be done here, but I decided I was going to show you some background landscape ideas. So what I'm adding to my drawing are some waves in the background. And if you wanted, you could make yours like an underwater dolphin and you could put in some kelp or seaweed or some other fish. But I'm showing you my dolphin jumping out of the water and he's creating some splashes. So what I'm doing is I'm putting in some teardrop shapes, raindrop shapes. And what I'm doing is I'm just making sure that no matter which way the drop is going, the pointed end is always pointing back at the dolphin. So I'm going to put some all around him to show where he's making a splash, where he came out of the water. And now I'm also adding some ripple designs. So just slightly squiggled lines going around where the dolphin came out. I'm just going to add them all around. I'm also going to add a couple extra waves here in the water. And I've decided, I think I'm going to throw in some clouds. So I'm going to start up here, and I am not going to do super fluffy clouds. I just like to make squiggled lines in a rough shape. And I'll call that a cloud, and I think I'll put in a second cloud on the other side of him too. So here we go. We'll make a nice organic shape. It's not symmetrical. It's not perfect. And I'm going to draw the sun behind a cloud. So I'm going to pretend I can see a circle of the sun. I'm going to draw it all the way around, and I'm going to draw some small lines coming out from the sun just to show that it is shining behind there. And let's add a little boat. So I'm just going to draw a little boat. I want to show that it's kind of in the water so I don't draw the bottom of the boat. And then I'm going to go up, I'm going to put on a sail and another sail on the other side. And I think I'm going to add a little banner at the top. So I'm going to just draw small wavy lines on the top. And there we have it. Hey everyone, we are all done. I had such a good time drawing mine. I really enjoyed coming up with creative things for my background. I'm looking forward to seeing some of your dolphins. I want to see if you took some of my suggestions. Maybe you did an underwater dolphin. Maybe you drew some other fishes or some kelp. Maybe you have even better sailboats than mine. Let me see what you've come up with. I'm looking forward to seeing them. If you are enjoying these drawing tutorials and you like seeing them every week, go ahead and like or subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope to keep coming out with them for as long as we're stuck here at home doing this COVID-19 thing. So, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a great week.